Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello, Jen. Congratulations to your YouTube channel, which is Buyanyan Channel. It was a pleasure to work with you, and I am very happy that you are monetized already, for which you work so hard, and I am excited also to the next level of your channel. May this achievement takes you to the higher level of success. Ayan. Again, congratulations, Buyanyan Channel. And ang masasabi ko lang, we did it! Thank you so much, Jen. I love you. Bye!
Channel, congratulations sa iyo. God bless sa iyong channel and good luck. Bye, sis.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hello, Sisi Buyanyan Channel. Congratulations, Sisi. I'm happy for you. You are now monetized. Ayan. Siyempre, more power and God bless to your channel. Alam ko na malayo pa yung mararating mo. Just go lang tayo. Kaya natin yan. And siyempre, thank you so much. Kasi kahit sa whitey board lang tayo nagkakilala, yung friendship natin is iba. Parang dati na tayo magkakilala. Yung kahit di pa tayo nagkita in person, alam mo yun, yung closeness, yung friendship na nabuo natin nandoon na. So, ayan, I'm happy for you. At thank you so much din for always supporting us. Na kahit na sobrang busy ka sa trabaho, nandyan ka pa rin lagi para supportahan kami. So, ayun, again, congratulations! Yun lang na kaya ko. So, ayan. Congratulations, Sisi. Love ya. Bye-bye.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
To Buyanyan Channel, I want to congratulate you for being a monetized channel. Naalala ko tuloy yung una tayong nakita, parang nagpunta ka yata sa LS ko. Then doon na nag-start. Parang sa umpisa pa lang talagang ang gaan-gana na loob ko sa iyo. So Buyanyan Channel, more videos to upload, more content, and we are here to support you. Team Solid will be here for you. Congrats!
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hello, Buyanyan Channel. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for being a monetized channel now. So, yun, siyempre sobrang saya namin kasi monetized channel ka na ngayon. At the same time, gusto namin magpasalamat sa support na ibinibigay mo sa amin, hindi lang sa akin, sa iba pa na nag-uumpisa pa rin sa YT. So, ang wish ko sana magtuloy-tuloy yung career mo sa YT at lumawak pa ang iyong channel at umaasa ako na matatapatan mo si Ivana Alawi at si Tulfo. So, once again, congratulations, Buyanyan Buyan Channel. More power!
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hello, annyeong. This is Jen Buyan Channel. This is Meiji. Congratulations pala sa'yo kasi ngayon finally monetize na yung channel mo. Tsaka pasensya ka na sa busiso kasi kagagaling ko lang sa trangkaso. Tsaka sa dinami-dami nga naranasan mo yung mga imot-imot dyan na sa mga nakaraang buwan, mga lagas ng saging tulad ko na lagas. Tsaka pero ngayon finally na monetize na yung channel mo. Congratulations ulit. Be positive lang lagi. Ngayon naman muni ka na. Ang usapan naman ngayon sa mga dolyares yung yung pag-iimutan kung paano tataas yung revenue. Pero fighting lang lagi. Basta congratulations ulit. Fighting. Dito lang kami sa lagi nakasuporta sa'yo. At saka God bless you sa tatahakin mo bilang isang monetize. At saka fighting! Team Organic Fighting! This is Meiji. Bye-bye! Congratulations ulit!
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Mula dito sa Saudi Arabia, congratulations Buyan, dahil isa ka ng monetized channel. I know your channel is doing great, and enjoy every clips of your videos. More videos to come, more revenues to come. Alam kong lahat ng ginagawa ng Buyan channel ay para kay Baby Buyan, kaya enjoy and more revenues to come. Stay safe and God bless.